Are you wondering how to find out the kind of phone you are using? Do you want to check phone model on Android? I welcome you to my channel this morning or this afternoon or this evening. It depends your time location. Please, if it is your first time to come across my channel, please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Like this video you're watching now. Let me hear from you at the comment section, and do also try sharing this video to your friends. Now let us go. If you want to know the phone model you are using on Android, first of the things you will do is to turn on your phone. Your phone will be on just as my screen is now. I hope you can see my screen, that my phone is on. Now, after turning on your phone, you go straight to settings. When you click your phone settings, you will see many things on your phone settings, such as my phone, network and internet, connected devices, app and notifications, app updates, battery, and etc. Now you don't need to go to all these things. Simply go to my phone. When you click my phone, as you can see on my screen here, I am using Infinix. So if you are also using Infinix phone, it will display the same on your screen, which is XOS. So if you are using Infinix, it will display this. But if you are using maybe Tecno, Itel, or other Android phones, it will still display the name that your phone is known for. Now you're seeing all these things. That is the same way it will be on your own phone when you're checking your phone model to specify the kind of phone you're using. Remember that this is Infinix. As I said, it will show according to your own brand. Now you will see the RAM, you will see the ROM, you will see other things on the screen here, even the battery capacity and the Android version of your phone. Now what you do is to go straight to your model. You are seeing model here on my screen. You're seeing it very well. Now click model. When you click model, as you can see on my screen here, my phone model is Infinix X80. Now, to know the name of the phone or the name of the model you are using, now click device name. You are seeing on my screen here, Infinix Hot 9 Play. Now on the phone you are using too, it will display the same. This is applicable to Itel phones, Tecno phones, and other Android phones. So far as it is Android, this is the procedure you will use. It is very simple and it is very helpful. It is not as hard as you maybe hire somebody or a technician to help you check your model phone. So you have seen it now. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, as I told you earlier. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family, and don't forget also to come back here to our channel to watch more videos. Remember, we have other videos here, including how to turn off silent mode on Android and other videos that are useful. So check our channel, you will see more videos and you will see reason to smile again. Once again, thank you for watching.